Top 5 Best Can Organizers. Maximize your kitchen space with these top-rated can organizers. Canned goods take up a lot of space in a cupboard or pantry, but they also have a long shelf life. So if you want to stock up on them whenever your favorites are on sale, check out our selection of organizers. They come in a variety of styles to suit various needs, and at prices to meet most budgets, but all are designed to maximize space and dispense what you want quickly and easily. When users buy our independently chosen editorial choices, Best Belay Devices for climbing rock walls. I designed recycled plastic beverage fridge organizer. FIFO Can Tracker Stores 54 Cans Crazy Sale. Sorbus Soda Can Rack Beverage Dispenser. The Lakeside Collection Slim 4-Tier White. M-Design Compact Plastic Kitchen Crazy Sale.
To think about where you want, Bucky down gone. Where you want that pie down man? Where you want, Bucky down gone? Get cracking, get to think about where you want, Bucky down gone. Where you want that pie down man? Where you want, Bucky down gone? Get cracking, get to think about where you want, Bucky down gone. Where you want that pie down man? Where you want, Bucky down?
Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box. Like, comment,